Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Chrome side by side configuration is incorrect. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on start. Now here type appwiz.cpl. Now open this setting. Now in this list guys, you have to click on Google Chrome, close all Chrome windows and try again, and then click on uninstall. Once you successfully uninstall, close and restart. After restart, open any web browser. Now search Chrome. Download. So open Google Chrome web browser and download. Hopefully guys, after download and installation, you will see this problem and issue is resolved. Chrome side-by-side configuration is incorrect. You can fix by uninstall Chrome browser from your PC and reinstall. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.